Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82, and today we're coming at it with one hell of an epic, well, kind of a prize winning, but also special mail call, and came in this box, very well packaged. Now what is it? Well, all right, so today's prize, if you will, that I won, which very awesome, by the way, is this. Yes, I got my name blocked off, oh well, but look at this, folks. Even the back. It's awesome. This is definitely gonna get hung up. All the burn, stain, etched in. And those are carved stars. Get her to focus, you friggin'. Look at that. Those are true 5-point stars. And where this comes from is Williams Woodwork and Crafts. I'll be leaving a link to their Facebook page down below. Once each month, they do what's called their, I got a letter here from it. They give away one flag each month to a hero, basically your military, your veterans, first responders, an outstanding citizen that, you know, did something heroic, you know, saved a load of kittens out of a tree across a neighbor's yard while his own house was burning type deal. You know, whatever it may be. But somebody epic that called to the... Well, I'm not epic, I'm just me, you know, that's no big deal. But I think you guys get the idea. So they do entrances there on their Facebook page. I'm going to have to see if they got an Instagram. And YouTube as well, and I'll be posting links to those down below. But definitely very awesome. And then talking to them, Jason, they also do, he makes these for people that would like to order one for their family members, what have you. They also have a laser engraving machine, so any custom glasses or flasks or knives or cups you guys want to get engraved, get a hold of him. And I don't know, still working on the screen printing stuff too. They do a lot of stuff, and quite amazing stuff as well. So I'll definitely be leaving a link down to them. But yep, I won the one for, this was the one for September. I know there was a retired firefighter last month or the month before. He was the winner that month. And yeah, just humbling. So, but give you guys another flyby here. And custom engraved it, the dates that I was in, and everything. So, but definitely be leaving a link to Jason down below, ways you can get a hold of him, and if anybody's got any questions on their stuff. So it's extremely humbling, definitely epic. Thank you guys very much. And as always, come into the weekend, remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. Hey everyone, Brandon with Bearded CB82, and today we're coming at it with one hell of a epic prize. that I've shit.